Home remedies for diabetes. Juices for diabetes. These are some juices to reduce diabetes. Pomegranate juice. It is filled with antioxidant substance that protects your cell from diabetes. Studies suggest that taking pomegranate juice daily for 3 months can reduce sugar levels. Take pomegranate and collect the seeds. Now take a blender, put the pomegranate seeds into it and add some water. Now blend it well. Pour the juice into a glass and serve it. By taking this juice regularly, you can control diabetes. Orange juice. Orange juice provides a healthy option for those having diabetes. It has a low glycemic index and moderate glycemic load. This juice also contains vitamin C that improves blood vessels functions those suffering from diabetes. Orange juice is a good antioxidant that protects your tissues from oxidative damage. Take an orange and peel it. Now take the pieces into a blender jar and add some water and blend it well. Take the juice into a glass. Orange juice is ready to serve. Tomato juice. Drinking tomato juice may improve the cardiovascular health of patients with type 2 diabetes. Tomato juice improves the blood platelet activity and reduces the risk of developing heart disease. Unsweetened tomato juice has a low glycemic index. Taking this juice daily will give effective results. Wash the tomatoes and cut into pieces. Take the pieces into a jar and add some water. Now blend it well. Pour the juice into a glass. Tomato juice is ready to serve. These juices help us to keep our sugar levels in check. Bitter gourd. How to make the juice of bitter gourd? A common vegetable used in day-to-day Indian main course. Put the juice in a wide bucket, then immerse your feet in the juice and keep paddling very softly on the juice for about 15 to 30 minutes every day for minimum 20 to 25 days. The duration to soak the feet in the juice is till when you feel the bitterness spit all the way to your tongue. Yes, you read it right. The bitterness feeling will rise from your feet all the way to your throat, giving you a bitter feeling as if you just had raw bitter gourd. This is a proven and tested method to reduce blood sugar level up to 100 to 150 points. This method is 100% natural cure for type 2 diabetes patients. Over 100 people have reported they got cured 99% by applying to this method. However, to get maximum benefit from this method, it is also suggested to drink bitter gourd juice half glass every day early in the morning, immediately after you are awake, before you even brush your teeth. Routine physical activity like walking or slow jogging for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Having enough sleep, minimum 7 hours. Sleeping early, at least at 10 p.m. and waking up early. Avoid sleeping late. If you have any work which you need to finish, better wake up early and do it. This way, your body will thank you and you will help to focus more on your task. Before applying to this method, test your blood sugar, keep a record of it, then test every 3 days and see the difference. This method will also show good results for people with type 1 diabetes. The blood sugar level decreased significantly after applying to this method. Please do apply the above described method in your routine. Warning: this information is solely for informational purposes. It is not intended to provide medical advice and should not be treated as a substitute for the medical advice of your own doctor. Home remedy for diabetes. Carbohydrates that we eat is broken down into sugar, also known as glucose, which then absorbed by cells to produce energy. Pancreas produces a hormone called insulin that allows the cell to absorb sugar present in the bloodstream. In diabetic patients, either pancreas do not produce enough insulin or the cell receptors do not respond to insulin produced. This leads to increase in the sugar in the bloodstream. Insulin helps the cell to absorb sugar present in bloodstream. Pancreas do not produce enough insulin. This leads to lack of energy in body. It leads to high risk of organ damage. Here are some home remedies for diabetes. Indian gooseberry. Take 2 to 3 Indian gooseberry or amlas and add a glass of water and mix it well. Drink this juice early morning on empty stomach. Indian gooseberry contains bioactive components, regulates blood sugar levels, and helps pancreas to secrete insulin. Mango leaves. Wash 10 to 15 fresh mango leaves and soak in water overnight, and in the next morning filter the water and drink daily on empty stomach. Glucose provides energy to body. Increase in glucose concentration causes diabetes. Here are some home remedies for diabetes. Crush or cut bitter gourd into small pieces and blend it well. Now filter it in a glass and drink this juice on empty stomach every morning. By drinking this juice, you can reduce blood sugar levels in the body. Boil water for 20 minutes and add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. And now boil again and filter the water. Drink it daily in the early morning. Soak few fenugreek seeds in 250 ml water for overnight. Crush them and the next morning and strain them and drink the water every day on early morning with empty stomach. Do it for 2 months and reduce your blood sugar levels. Low-calorie spinach soup for diabetes. Here is a nutrient-dense, easy-to-prepare spinach soup. Cooking it with low-fat milk gives it a lovely emerald green color, which together with the aroma of sauteed onions and garlic makes this soup irresistible. This soup is especially recommended for all the weight-conscious or diabetics. The soup has not been strained in order to retain the fiber of the spinach. Ingredients: 3 cups shredded spinach, washed and drained, 1 teaspoon oil, 1 teaspoon grated garlic, half cup of chopped onions, 1 cup low-fat milk, 99.7% fat-free, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Heat the oil in a deep non-stick pan